Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tony, and for today's vlog I'm gonna be making a cassava flan recipe. So for our ingredients, I have here a 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter which is melted, and I also have 1 package of grated cassava. This is 16 ounces frozen grated cassava, and this is already thawed out, but we are not gonna drain it anymore. And then I also have a 1 bottle of makapuno strings. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. So we also have 1 can of coconut milk, which is 13.5 ounce, and 1 can of a sweetened condensed milk, which is 14 ounces. So for the custard topping, guys, we are going to have 2 eggs. And then I have here a leftover condensed milk from my past recipe. So this is like half of can or 7 ounces the condensed milk. And also I have here evaporated milk. This is 12 ounce, but I'm just gonna use 6 ounces of this one. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is to brush the bottom and all sides of our baking pan. And so I'm going to use the butter, the melted butter. Make sure it's all grease, all the sides. Okay, and let's do the other one too. So in a large bowl, we are going to combine the grated cassava, the makapuno strings, the coconut milk, and the condensed milk. So here for 1 package of grated cassava, I use at least 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut string. So we are now going to stir the mixture until well combined. Now we are going to pour the cassava mixture into the prepared baking pan, and then we're gonna bake it in a 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. While waiting for our cassava cake, combine the custard ingredients: 2 eggs, 7 ounces sweetened condensed milk, and 6 ounces evaporated milk in a clean bowl. Stir until well blended and strain the mixture using a fine strainer. Remove the cake from the oven and carefully pour custard topping mixture over the surface to cover entirely. And then we are going to return to the oven and continue to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center of the flan comes out clean. Our cassava flan is done. Allow to cool before slicing it. There you have it, guys, my cassava cake with flan topping. So ayan po guys, na-slice na po siya. It looks so perfect, looks so good, and of course, it tastes so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next vlog.